What you have to do, first you can go to on Google, type this JEE Mains CBT based test, and then you will click on this NTA official website. So this will open like this. Now what you can do, you can select for the exam. So let's say we want to get this JEE Mains exam. So we'll click on this, and then for the paper you can select any of the paper. Let's say giving for BTech, so you can choose any of the paper. Let's say I'm choosing this one. Yeah, so now what we can do, so we can just start mock test, and then what you have to do, you can just log in and to the general instructions. So basically these are the symbols that shows, like for the white one, that you have not visited the question yet, and the red one means like you haven't answered the question, and this green one means you have answered the question. And if you want to mark for review, let's say you have answered some question but you have some doubt, like you want to review it later, then it's okay. You can just click on mark for review, and it will show this icon, and then you can go to the next one by clicking on the next arrow. And so let's say let's start the test. So we have to accept it and then proceed. So yeah, this is how it will show. So the red one means you have not answered yet, and and there are total 75 questions, as these were due to previous schedule. So let's say 74 are not visited, like we have not visited, and you can hover into any of the questions and attempt any. And let's say you opted for the answer number 2, then what you can do, you can either save and go to the next, or you can do mark for review. Like let's say you want to save, and you want to later on see and check if your answer was correct or not. If you have some time, then you can just mark for review, and then this is the timer that you will be having. So let's say I'm doing save and next. So this is the other question. Let's say you mark some of the options. So let's say 2, then you can do this, and let's say you want to uh, mark for review. So this, now you can see like this one is for mark for review, like you have answered the question but you want to uh, review it, and it will be considered for the evaluation as well, right? And then you can submit from here, and you will see your score. So yeah, this was the complete format. So this video was for those who are not aware with the computer based test. And so yeah, if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. Thank you.